This video is a thank you to all of you who have donated to my ministry to help me be able to get better video equipment. As you can see here behind me, I have the DJI Roam 3 Mini and the DJI Mic 2. These are two necessary items in the area of video production. This gimbal allows me to have smooth and stable footage, where this microphone allows me to have crisp and clear audio. So this video is a thank you and a little bit of a showing of what these can be helpful and in my ministry and what they will be used for. Right here we have DJI RS3 Mini. This gimbal is a crucial part in video stabilization. What this allows is to be able to mount a camera on it right here, and when it is powered on, it stabilizes the camera. And I can't do that right now because I'm recording with the device that I use that will be on here, but it stabilizes my video. So when I'm doing handheld shots, instead of them looking very rough, it will be nice and smooth. And this will also help with my parents' ministry in some outdoor videos that we'll be doing. Then we have DJI Mic 2. This microphone is excellent for the outdoors. It comes in this hard case, has a soft case that the hard case goes in. The soft case holds some other accessories. The main part of this is the receiver and two transmitters. And these work very well in the fact that we take one of these and clip it onto our shirt, and this, when that receiver is connected to the device that is recording, it can take busy city noise and block it out to give clear and crisp speech. So in the videos to come, this will improve through the help of all of you. This will improve my ministry's video capabilities, and I'm very grateful to all of you. For those of you that have sent in money that was beyond what I was after to get these two items, that will be applied forward to a video camera as I am using my iPhone currently. So I praise God that I am blessed with these items to be able to spread the gospel far and wide to as many as I can. Please like, share, and subscribe, and walk with God.